Saving configuration favorites. Go to the product configurator and select a product line. Fill in the product details and select the desired profiles from the drop-down menus or image collections for your desired configuration template. When you are finished configuring your item, click on the Favorites menu and select Save as Favorite. You can then create a name for your configuration that you can use to easily identify it in the future. Click Proceed when ready. Now, when you go back to the same product line, click on the Favorites menu and select Load Favorite. When you select the desired template, all saved field data will be pre-filled for you. Complete the remaining fields and save your configuration to complete the process.